Hello, my name is Jenna Ballard, and I am the founder of Unicorn University and a friend of FitLifeTV. And today I'm here to talk with you about the magic of how you can turn any breakdown into a breakthrough. So I want you to really think about the experiences that you've had in your life. And I also want you to really check in with yourself and ask if you have been a victim or a victor of the experiences that you've had. Because every single moment is a choice point. We have an opportunity to have everything that we experience actually be a part of our growth, serve us in some capacity. And the most powerful way that you can take what you're experiencing and know that it's a part of your growth is ask yourself in the moment, what is this happening for? Why is this happening for me? Not to me, but for me. Everything in this universe happens for you, not to you. And when you change that conversation, your mess is actually supposed to be a part of your message. You can turn your mess into your mission. So how do you do that? You ask yourself, every single experience you have, this is happening for me. How is this happening for me? Why is this happening for me? Is this a part of my mission? Is this a part of my purpose? And you also get to know that when you experience contrast, when you experience the stuff that you don't like or you don't love or you don't want it or you don't need it, that's actually an indicator of what you actually truly want to have in your life. So know that you are capable, you are powerful, you are unstoppable when you are mindful of the kind of language that you use to describe your story, your experience, your life, whatever you have going on for you. And I promise you, no matter how bad it gets, whatever conversation you're having about whatever you're experiencing right now, I promise you it's happening for you. It's meant for you. Oh, but Jenna, you don't understand my life and you don't know what I'm experiencing, and if only you knew, then I got it. I've been through a lot in my life. We all have a story. We've all had breakdowns. We've all had our hearts broken. We've all been disappointed. We've all been lied to, cheated on, robbed from. Whatever conversation you want to have, ask yourself if it's forwarding you. And if it's not forwarding you, then how can you have that conversation be something that's going to contribute to your experience? I promise you, you have the capacity to turn whatever breakdown you're experiencing or have experienced in your life into something that's going to forward you. We are meaning-making machines, so if we have the power to make up a story, we ought to make one that actually forwards us and feels good. So choose the better feeling story and know that you're capable of causing the exact life that you want when you're mindful of the kind of languaging that you use. I love you and I believe in you, every single one of you. Again, my name is Jenna Ballard and I'm the founder of Unicorn University and of course, a friend of FitLifeTV.